The ultimate sport family SUV, 2022 on a 22 registration BMW X5 40D. This one's finished in individual Dravit grey with over £19,000 worth of options. So, starting off with having the Shadowline lasers, which are quite rare. Usually you get the visibility pack, just normal lasers, but these are tinted from factory. We have the 22-inch wheels with the red M Sport brakes and air suspension. Let's take a look to show you some more features. So we have the piano black, which is individual interior trims. We have ambient lighting, of course. We have the Sky Lounge panoramic roof, so this illuminates on the night. We have the individual merino leather in ivory, which is softer than your normal leather. We do have a full M styling body kit as well, flat badges and the anniversary badges. Just mega aggressive styling. The registration's there available for any checks. Let's take a look at the rear here. So we do have the comfort pack giving you keyless entry, keyless start of course, and rear heated seats. Let's take a look at the front, which shows you more of the technology package. So we have electric memory seats for the driver. We have head-up display, adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel. We also have Parking Assistant Plus, giving us 360 camera. Other features such as hot and cool cup holders and wireless charging as well. This vehicle is now available at Ash Motors, covering just 33,000 miles with full BMW service history, ready to go. Make sure to contact us for any inquiries and we'll be happy to assist.